A Honda Accord rammed into a Cybertruck on freeway. The guy never hit his brakes. Thank God the Cybertruck is built like a tank. The impact on the Cybertruck was pretty hard. Looks like the driver still had the acceleration pedal pressed after the initial impact. Also, the passenger airbag on the car blew immediately and the driver's side airbag was somewhat delayed, as he had his hand above the steering wheel, which allowed his head to peek over the back for a split second to strike the windshield. After which his head bounced back and the airbag then continued to fill to the roof line. With FSD it's so much safer in that regard, as your arms or hands are not blocking an airbag. This is exactly why we need FSD. So many lives will be saved. Cybertruck looks perfectly fine with minimal damage to the rear bumper. The Accord guy got wrecked though.